I'm hoping to stop by Ikea. I'm hoping to also stop by Target. I'm hoping to stop by Dollar Tree and Home Depot to get some plants. But then again, I might find everything I'm looking for in one store. We'll see. In this area, I definitely would like to make it like a coffee station-ish, where you feel like you can relax. So I do want to add bar stools there. Luckily, I had an opening underneath purposely to add bar stools to feel like I can sit down at the coffee station. So I need chairs, guys. So, and I may stop somewhere else. I don't know. I'm just checking to see what I can pick up from each of these locations that is going to help bring the vision that I'm looking for together. People, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a lot to do, guys. I'm feeling rested, I'm feeling relaxed, I'm feeling like I'm ready to tackle this coffee station that I've been wanting for so long to add to my newly renovated kitchen. And if you haven't already seen my kitchen makeover, you should definitely go and check that video out, and you can see how much DIY projects I added to get the kitchen to look like this. As you can see, I'm in my car, and that's because today, guys, we got some shopping to do. I need plants, I need containers, I need cups, I need chairs. So yeah, and hopefully it won't take much to get it to look how I want it to look. Let's see what's going on in the stores and get exactly what we need, not what we don't need, and not get caught up in all the bells and whistles. As you can see, guys, I made a quick stop at Lowe's, and when I say quick, it was really quick. I didn't see much there, but I did see this really cute white and green striped plant that I think will look perfect in the bar station, whether above or near the coffee cup. I made another quick stop by Ross, and again, not much to see at the store. I don't know, with all that's going on around the world, if it's caused a very low stock, but I found these very cute jars, guys, and I'm definitely taking 2 of them to put at the station. And yeah, so I think they'll be cute. So after making a few quick stops at the other stores, I finally made it to Ikea, and then this. Literally, I mean, there was a line, a long line. It wrapped around the building, and Ikea was not letting anyone in right away due to social distancing rules, and I almost did not even decide to do this coffee station right now because I just was not up for waiting in line. But then I was like, you know what? If I'm waiting in line today, I'll probably have to wait in line tomorrow, so I might as well get it out the way. Good thing the line moved pretty quickly, and I made it up to the showroom. And guys, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, whenever you go to Ikea, their showrooms will make you just want to rearrange your whole house. But I stayed focused. I went straight to the chairs department, and guys, look at this chair. I just love this chair so much. I love ghost chairs, and if you don't already know, I have the clear ghost chairs, these exact ones from Ikea, in my dining room. If you haven't seen my dining room makeover, you should definitely check that video out. But yeah, here are the bar stools that they have. They had quite a bit of a selection in various types of shapes, heights, and colors. But I realized I really don't want a actual bar height stool. I wanted something a little bit shorter because I already have some taller bar chairs at the island, and I wanted something that would be able to be a little bit lower, so that way you can adjust it up and down and adjust to the height that you need it to be, in case that my other bar stools are just too high for you to sit on. And they had so many different options that I think were cute, but they're just way too high for the coffee station. So I decided to stick to the first one that I picked out. Finally winded my way down to the coffee section, and guys, I was pleasantly surprised. Everything you need to create a coffee station was definitely at Ikea, and Guys, so many cup selection. They even had cups for 99 cents. I was shocked. I thought for sure I would have to go only to Dollar Tree for that. But guess what? They were actually cheaper. Look at these cute 69-cent cups, guys. I so wanted to pick these up. But then I looked at the shelf and yeah, it's only 2 left, which makes sense. 69 cents, I can totally understand. But guys, if you have some available in your area, definitely check them out. I would have so went for this since it was cheaper than the Dollar Tree. But after looking at this, it looks like I'm going to have to go to Dollar Tree anyways, because they had some other cute cups, but they weren't $1. And I don't think I need to spend more than $1 for each cup. I only need about 4 or 5, and they all look the same. But they had so many different shapes and colors, so if you're looking for variety, Ikea is definitely where it's at. And look at these cute coasters. And I decided to stop by the plant section. Guys, I don't know about you, I love plants, so anytime I stop by any store that sells plants or gardening section, I'm definitely stopping by whether I need it or not. So I did stop by the plant section, and look at these cute faux plants. I also picked those up as well. And I think it would go great up on top of the bar area where there's not much light and I can't really have real plants to survive there, but it will add some greenery there as well. This fern looks really cute too. I don't know. I like to mix the faux plants with the real plants just to fill in places that real plants won't survive. Now this one right here, this is supposed to be a mother and pearl, and that doesn't look nothing like a mother of pearl. I actually have real mother and pearls, and that doesn't look like it at all. And look at these plants. Oh my gosh, you just feel like you're in a jungle. So I did do a little sidetrack here, and yeah, it's kind of hard being in any garden section and not get lost in all the green and the leaves. I love it. But yeah, this section was short-lived. And of course, I moved on and went to the register and got what I needed to get. But guys, if you're ever looking for plants, don't sleep on Ikea plant section because they have a lot of variety. So now we're heading to Dollar Tree because remember, Ikea did not have the dollar cups or the 69 cups that I needed. So I went for Dollar Tree because I wanted to see if they had anything better, but they were about the same but a little bit bigger for the price. Now they had 2 different shapes. I couldn't exactly decide which shape I wanted. At first I thought it didn't really matter, but then I figured, you know what, the beauty is in the details. So I looked at it, I kind of put the 2, there's like 2 different shapes out there. So one that's tapered at the end, one that's round at the end. So I decided to take the 2 cups and put them next to each other. Because I did end up seeing a major difference in the 2 different shapes. And I do like the more tapered option better. I think it looks sleek and cute. So that's the one I ended up going for. Oh my gosh, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. I feel like everything is melting off. But anyways, I got it done. I went to all the stores I needed to go to get what I need to make over this coffee station. And pleasantly surprised that I found some very cute stuff, both at Ikea, Lowe's, and I went to Dollar Tree, didn't get too much stuff except for 1 item. But yeah, guys, so I'm happy that I got this stuff done. Hopefully you saw anything that was interesting in my shopping that you might be interested in. You can pick it up for yourself. I will call it a success. I got everything I need. So stay tuned for the next video so you can see how I put everything together. So yeah, thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.